Hey everybody, it's Doof Senpai, #1 senpai in the world, and like I promised before, I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of the S10 Plus. Yeah. So S10 Plus, I bought this back in November or towards the end of November, and actually it's been almost a month, and I haven't opened this yet, man. Still using the S8, but I've been holding out because I wanted to unbox it on screen. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, so first things first, open the box. Actually, wait, hang on. Okay, so it was taped, but I guess, I don't know, they pre-sliced it for me, which is nice, but yeah, there you go, there's the phone right there. There's a phone, there's a tab, nice of them. I can pull it out. Ooh, hey, look. So yeah, let me put the phone aside real quick. And then, let's see, why is the, all right, so the manuals are up here, okay. So let's see, manuals, right? Is that what this is? Let's see, yes, it is manuals. Let's see, this device is packaged with a screen protector. Is it? Well, where the hell is it? Let's see, yep, let's see, can you read that? Can you read that there? Yeah, this device is packaged with a screen protector. Okay, let's see, important transfer, quick reference guide, okay. Let's see, it says it comes with a screen protector, but I don't see it. Okay. All right. Well, that's the manuals, okay. And then you got some goodies in here. You got the, I got the charger. Yeah, I got the charger. And then let's see, what is this? I think this is the plug, right? Yeah, I believe this is the plug. Let's see. Yep, you got the wire. All right, groovy. You got some headphones. Let's see, wired headphones, right? Yes. And then you also got the adapter. Headphones, adapter. All right. And then, let's see, I think that's it. Unless there's something hidden in here. Nope, that's it. So it says it comes with a screen protector, but I don't see no dang screen protector, man. Let's see, might need to contact them about that. But yeah, this is the phone. So the S10 Plus, I got the white one. I was planning to get the black one, but you know, time for change, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so all right, let's just peel this bad boy. Ugh. And then let's see if it has any juice in it. Yeah, powering up for the first time right there. S10 Plus. All right, cool. Or actually, oh, hold on, I see it. Oh, so the screen protector is actually already on the screen. Oh, so that's kind of nice. Now, I wish that they would also come with a case. Yeah.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by
Let's get started, boys. Okay, let's go.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can restore the settings and contents from your old device.
Skip this for now.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
All right, well, shoot, I don't have a... let's see, turn off Wi-Fi. Let's see, all right, so I'm at the password screen. All right, so, let's see here, I'll set this up real quick.
Log into a Samsung account to get the most out of your device. All right, we're all set.
All right, and just like that, I'm done. Okay, all right, so finish. And all right, so that's what the screen looks like. Let's see, so comes with, all right, so yeah, let me just do that real quick. And then, so let's see, it comes with all the stuff you would expect from a Samsung phone, the Galaxy Store. Facebook is pre-installed, Samsung Note, Samsung Pay. Yeah, so not too, oh, it comes with Spotify too. Well, anyways, so that's that. Man, hold on, I'm trying to. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see. What is this? All right. So, oh right, the SIM card is still on my old phone. Well, I'm just doing an unboxing. So there you go. So that's the phone. Pretty neat. Still need to. Well, actually, hang on. Got the phone. Take a picture right there. Actually, hold on. Let me take a selfie. Ooh, that is something. But yeah, I'm gonna be going over the phone in more detail, probably in another video. This one, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, which I did. So yep, I won't be using my old S8 anymore. Gonna be using this one from now on. So once I get this completely set up and use it for a little bit, you know, I'll give you my thoughts and see how it goes, man. See how it goes. And actually, I also need to get a case for this, because as you know from a previous video, when I was doing the Black Friday haul thing, I had an S9, but I dropped it face first on the cement and it cracked. So I probably should get a case just in case. Get a case just in case, you know. Yes. All right, so that's it for now. So gonna have some fun with this, man. Gonna have some fun with this. Play some more games on this. The icons are surprisingly big on this one compared to on the S8, but you know, it's good. That way I can read it. I don't have to squint so much. Okay. So here, I'm gonna shut this off real quick for now. So there you have it. So I got the phone, and it already has a screen protector on it. Which is nice. That means I don't have to put it on, and I don't have to buy one either. And then it comes with the cables, headphones by AKG. And actually, funny enough, when I bought the bundle together, the fancy headphones that was like $250 was also by AKG. So I guess they have something, you know, they're doing something with Samsung right there. But yep. So I got that, some manuals. And let's see, where the hell did the adapter go? Oh, and the adapter. Yes. I've never actually used this for anything. I only use this to charge, so probably won't even need this that much. But anyways, so that's that. New phone, pretty good, pretty excited. Yeah, gonna make some more videos with this, man. And hopefully I'll be able to play more games with this too. So, alright, so that's it. Doof Senpai, #1 senpai in the world. So I just unboxed the Samsung S10 Plus. Gonna review it probably in maybe in a month or two. So look forward to that. And remember, leave a comment down there if there's any apps or anything you want me to check out, or just leave a comment, man. Yeah, I love to hear what you guys got to say. So yep, Doof Senpai, #1 senpai in the world, and I'll see you guys in the new year. All right, Happy New Year. Yeah. All right, peace, bye.